Minista wa vhulamukanyi Vho-Ronald Lamola amba kha Mutangano wa lushaka wa phuresidennde wa ulwa na zwiito zwa khakhathi dza mbeu na mabulayo a vhafumakadzi Phalagalaga estate vhuponi ha Midrand. Tshipikwa tshihulwane tsha vhuṱambo ndi ulwa na u fhelisa khaedu iyi kha ḽino ḽa Afrika Tshipembe fhasi ha ṱhoho ine yavha yo sedza kha uri hu ṱavhanyiswe u dzhielwa vhukando na vhuḓifhinduleli kha zwililo zwenezwo zwa khakhathi dza mbeu.
Before the end of this year, we will have published the bill that will be out for public comment and also going to Parliament, where stakeholders will make inputs and comment on this specific issue. I do understand the issue of trust that is being raised, that it has been too long.
Mutangano alwaho na zwiito zwa khakhathi dza mbeu vhari huna fhethu hunzhi hune muvhuso wa kha ḓi ṱudza hone nahone ndi zwinzhi zwine wa kha ḓi fanela u zwi lugisa.
Minister Lamola, our victims are savagely cross-examined during court. Can we have proper court preparation to make our people strong, to be able to respond to learned people cross-examining and violating them?
President, where is the Department of Social Development? And I'll tell you why I am in need of social development. Social development was given power by the Victim Empowerment Charter to coordinate all the departments in making sure that the Victim Empowerment Program becomes a success. All the questions of funding and everything, they were supposed to be answered by them.
Speaker of Parliament, in 2012, Parliament resolved to establish National Council Against Gender-Based Violence. 12 years later, we still don't have. It was established, by the way. Former President Motlanthe was a patron of that GBV Council. It was disbanded by the Minister of Women in 2015. We need accountability.
President Vho Ramaphosa vha ri muvhuso u nga fheli maanḓa kha u lambedza mafulo a ulwa na zwiito zwa khakhathi dza mbeu nga masheleni.
The bill that will pave the way for the establishment of the Gender-Based Violence Femicide Council is currently before Parliament. Now, you may ask why, as you did ask, why has it taken so long to have this council established? Just for you to know, I have been personally following this matter up and asking why is it taking so long. Professor Shisana can testify to this. Now, the problem is that, yes, government tends to move slowly. Now, some of you said you moved very quickly during the COVID pandemic. Yes, indeed we did. And we were armed by a legislation.
Mushumo uyu tovha tsumbo ya uri munwe muthihi a u ṱusi mathuthu musi President Vho Ramaphosa vha tshi ri muvhuso u khou ita zwoṱhe izwi wo farisana na vha madzangano a sa shumeliho malamba a lwaho na zwiito zwa khakhathi dza mbeu khathihi na vha sekithara ya private.